Hello everyone, I am here with a new topic of class 11th, Business Studies, Chapter 1, Business Nature and Purpose. Our today's topic is Meaning and Classification of Auxiliaries to Trade. In previous video, we will already understood the meaning of trade. Now, let us understand the meaning of auxiliaries to trade. What is auxiliaries to trade? The institution which are helpful in the conduct, promotion and development of trading activities, it is called the auxiliaries to trade. And these auxiliaries to trade remove the various hindrances like place, time, risk, finance and knowledge which is arise in the connection of with the production and distribution of trade. So that is the meaning of auxiliaries to trade, which is helpful for the trading activity, for their booster, for their growth. Now first point is means of transport. What is the means of transport? Transport means in which carry goods from one place to another, and we can include in land, water transport, air transport, etc. And this with the help of transport we create place utility. For example, the goods are taken from one place where there is a less demand to the place where there are in more demand. This a hindrance removed by the transport. So transport is very essential for every business or a trading activities. Second is means of communication. Communication means like telephone, fax, email, mobile are the examples of communication which is helpful for both producers and consumers. And with the help of communication, producers inform their customers about the production of goods and buyers send orders for supplying of goods. And communication plays a major role of trading activities. Without communication, we can't place order and we can't receive goods. Third one is warehousing. This service is an essential service in business world. Manufacturer, producers, distributors and farmers use the warehousing services. It creates time utility between production and distribution of goods. For example, sugar is produced from November till March, but it is consumed throughout the year. So warehousing plays an important role for business. Fourth one is insurance. Risk of uncertainty in business are always available because the future is unpredictable. Now running the situation of pandemic COVID-19 is an unpredictable situation for every business area. So in business, other uncertainties like accident, theft, robbery are always faced by the business. So this risk is removed by hindrance of insurance companies, and insurance companies are important auxiliaries to trade. Next one is advertising. In today's competitive market, so the businessman cannot sit and wait for customer. In this situation, advertisement plays an important role and it gives the knowledge of the customer about the product and other information like quality, price, availability, and then customer take right decision about the purchasing a product. So it is also very helpful for business activities. Now last one is financial institution. Finance we will relate with money. So the finance is the backbone of business. Financial institutions like different types of bank, investment trust, finance corporation and Private financial institutions like banks provide capital for business activities, and finance is also very helpful for growth, diversification, and expansion of business activities. So that are the types of auxiliaries to trade. Thank you.